finally, the second package from ThreadBeast.com showed up. This is my second premium box. This is the top box that you can get from ThreadBeast.com. I think there's one other option to go crazy and spend like $200. And in this video, we will truly see if this box is worth it. 100% if it's worth it. In my first video, I didn't fill out the profile 100%. I basically left room for the designer to sit there and basically have free range over my style. That kind of backfired a little bit as expected. This box should be the make or break of everything. And the reason why is because I did my profile 100%. I went back, told him I didn't want no khakis, no fucking polo shirts. I didn't want none of that shit. I don't want more hats. I already got too many hats. And I kind of just tweaked it a little bit. Go check out the first video to get way more information about ThreadBeast.com. Like their slogan says, one less trip to the mall. Let's get into opening this bitch. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go ahead and cut this box open and get right into it. Well, I'm pretty excited. I'm stoked. I've been waiting all month to get this box just to see if it's going to be any better. I'm not even going to look. So first off, I kind of see some stuff that I got on the last one. Some socks. But these are a little bit more comfortable, my style. It kind of feels a little bit like Christmas getting socks. But no, for real. Honestly, socks, nothing wrong with socks. You always need socks. Underwear. We got some PSD underwear. Bust out with this Diamond Supply white t-shirt with the red diamond. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty sick. Boom. We got like a baby blue pink dolphin legend. This kind of looks like a fucking, if I was living on the beach and I wanted to be a lifeguard, but they kicked me out of the academy. Next, we got some Billabong jeans. I haven't heard of Billabong since like junior high school. I didn't even know that this company was still around. That's cool though. Billabong, black, almost kind of like a skinny jean. This is more of the style of jean I was expecting, like in the first box would have been, you know, actual jeans, not khakis. Billabong jeans. I would probably pick these up at the mall if I was just looking around and I needed some pants. Straight leg, that's what I usually wear anyways. Cool. On to the next item. Oh shit, we got some Diamond Supply. I don't even know what to call these. Honestly, I fuck with these, man. Super tough. And the last item. I don't know how to feel about this right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of mixed emotions on this shirt right here. You know, it's a short sleeve plaid type of shirt. I'm not mad at this. That's the end of this box right here. So let's do a quick, let's go back and see a recap. Let's do a recap. So we'll start with this because I never put it down. Got this button-up flannel. It's not even a flannel. I don't even know what to call this type of shirt. Button-up picnic table shirt. That's what we'll call that. Button-up picnic table shirt. Write it down. Then we got these Billabong skinnies. These are probably the fire item. So the first box, if you watch that, the fire item was the grizzly flannel that I got. That was my favorite item in that box. This is probably my favorite item in this box. Let's go over to these motherfuckers. I like these. These are going to be like lounge around. Got this blue beach bum shirt. Now this shirt, I'm growing on it. I like blue shirts. Another shirt. So we got 3 shirts total. A pair of jeans. Some sweat shorts. And this shirt right here. This is the Diamond Supply white t-shirt. They've been around since 1998. Then we come over here. We got some PSD 95% cotton, 5% elastane. What the fuck? To top it all off, a pair of crisp socks. Black.
What the fuck?
So yeah, that was all the items in this box. This is my second premium box from ThreadBeast.com. Now we're going to sit down and really break down box 1 and box 2 to see if ThreadBeast is really worth your hard-earned money. Oh, hi! If you're on this video and you made it this far, you're probably at the question now, is ThreadBeast.com worth my money? After box 1 and box 2, you got to see all different types of clothes, ranging from khakis to polo shirts to button-down picnic shirts to sweat shorts to skinny jeans. And after these 2 boxes, you could answer your question, is ThreadBeast really worth the money? As far as box number 2 for me goes, let me give it a rating. 10 being I'm extremely stoked about it, to 1 being like, what the hell is all this shit? Did I just waste my money? I'm going to give this box an 8 out of 10. And the reason why is because the clothes in this box are more logical for me. There's only a few things I'm kind of like on the fence about, and that would be the socks and underwear. Mainly because I got socks in the first one and underwear. I don't know, I just, 1 pack of underwear is not calculating in my head right. It's kind of like a filler almost. What the fuck? They probably stuffed all the clothes in there and they said, oh, we need 2 more items. Throw them some underwear, throw them some socks. The major question, is ThreadBeast worth it? My personal opinion, I'm kind of like stuck right in the middle. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not trying to like twist this up in any way. I'm pretty much stuck in the middle because I really do like the fact that I didn't have to go to the mall and find clothes. But since I didn't go to the mall and find my own clothes, I'm stuck with shit that someone else picked out for me. And they don't even know anything about me other than a little profile that I filled out on their website. And to be honest with you, I didn't listen too well. Because in the first one, I said no to polos. First box came, I ended up getting a polo style shirt for my bonus item. My bonus item was basically a throwaway of a polo shirt. A stylist would have seen my profile, seen that I didn't want a polo, and they wouldn't have thrown that in my box. They would have gave me a different bonus item. Box number 2, I filled out my profile 100%. Gave them detailed, I filled out everything. Gave them a detailed, somewhat of a list of what is acceptable and What's not too acceptable? Will I get a third box? That's the next question. Will I allow my money to be spent on a third box? To be honest with you, I think I will. I think I will let this go on one more time, just so I can get more content about ThreadBeast. But after that third time, I will probably cancel or drop down from the premium to the basic. It's 100% up to you if you feel like ThreadBeast.com is 100% worth it or not. This is my honest opinion, honest answer. Yes, go ahead, buy a premium box, one premium box. Before you do though, fill out your profile 100% of what you want. Also include things that you do not want, absolutely do not want. That way, if they send you something that you do not want and it's listed, it could be an easy vantage point for you to sit there and say, hey, I said I didn't want this shit. I want a refund. Send it back. I might go into my profile and tweak it just a little bit more and get a different field of view and see what they do. See if the stylists are really paying attention to what the consumer has to say and have to write. So I hope that I achieved what I really set out to do as far as doing these ThreadBeast unboxing videos. And that's to convince you whether to go with it or not to go with it. Hopefully these two boxes, if you're on the fence for ThreadBeast, hopefully these two boxes throw you on either side of the fence. Whether you go and buy it and experience it for yourself, or you decide not to and you just continue to make trips to the mall. If you liked both of these videos, especially this one, drop a like, share it around. If you got homies and stuff that might be thinking about doing this, go ahead and send it. Be sure that you use promotional codes that they give out so that you can get a chance of some dope shit, more stuff in your first box if you're a first-time buyer. Remember, like this video, subscribe to the channel. There's at least going to be one more box coming for me before I decide to cancel.